Get up on your chairs and you can see it, but don't touch it.
Wow. Hey, that smells like this bug right here. Hey, that's one. It's like this one.
What do you think about that amazing cake?
But we can't eat it.
No, you can't eat it yet.
It's still hot. No, it's
still
cold.
hot. It's cold, but it's for tomorrow, for your party.
Aww. It's gonna go outside.
Mm-hmm.
How awesome is that, guys?
Whoa, that is
That's
neat.
one just like this one. Hey, that's a bun.
Hey, look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Elijah Ephraim, what do you say to Miss Kelly?
Thank you.
Is it amazing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Awesome.
Wait, what's these? What?
That's your name. It says Ephraim and Elijah.
Hey, our bench is inside.
Yeah.